Hi, I'm Mark, Quality Project Manager at the Electra Wind Power Inc. It's my responsibility to keep track of our wind project's assembly process and ensure that all towers, both onshore and offshore, are built correctly using the latest procedures. Secondly, it's also my task to manage the maintenance of all installed towers, preventing any malfunctions that could cost time and money. We have always faced challenges in making sure that all procedures are followed during tower assembly, and eventually chose the 4 Eyes principle. Essentially, each assembly mechanic works with a partner who double-checks every task he completes. Not only is this expensive, but it's the first task that gets neglected when under pressure to deliver on time. Our mechanics are very conscientious and hardworking, but it's simply human nature. While looking for solutions, we found inspiration when exploring a bolting issue. As part of his demonstration, the tooling distributor showed us how to check the correct force of any tightening with smart tools. "How can you be sure that all bolts are done?" we asked. "Simple," he replied. "Let me grab my tablet and show you." After asking a few questions such as how we wanted to check the tasks or if we needed pictures for proof when using Loctite or a seal, he configured the whole process in the blink of an eye, creating the perfect assembly process that forced the operations to carry it out step by step. A PDF report was then instantly generated, containing all time-stamped results, pictures, measurements, and even the GPS coordinates. We asked further questions. How can we scale this? How do we account for different sites, models, and ways of operating? He smiled. There's no issue there. You can use central programming, so all mechanics are using the same workflow, with results stored in the central cloud server or on the premises. With the ProSuite dashboards and report server, I create my own custom reports to give me insight into our production and station performance. We simply don't have the words to describe ProSuite. It's a dream. And more importantly, we can ensure build quality with ProSuite instead of needing to double check. Recently, I mentioned the positive experience to a friend working in another industry, and it turns out they had been looking for a similar solution for a long time. In fact, they were so excited to get started with ProSuite, they were practically drooling. To learn more about ProSuite's process control and error proofing, simply contact their experts at prosuite.eu. Now that's a happy Mark.